video shoutouts go to Kenny Pop Drop and AG in Motion for both commenting, "I'll always have the worst hair of all time" on my last post. Hey guys, welcome back to Perky Tomato, and today I'm going to be giving you guys some more edited Peppa Pig episodes because ever since I did my last video, you guys have been asking for a part 2. So hopefully you find these 2 episodes just as entertaining as you did the last ones, and without further ado, let's just go.
I'm depressed.
This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Soft play.
It is morning. Peppa and her family are having breakfast.
Ooh. Ooh. There's a letter here for George.
It's an invitation to Richard Rabbit's party.
Sounds fun, as long as it's not at that awful soft play centre.
It says soft play.
Daddy doesn't like the soft play centre. Last time he got stuck and was rescued by a helicopter and a fire engine and a crane.
It wasn't exactly like that, Peppa. It was only a helicopter.
I think soft play sounds lovely. I will go with you, George.
It is time for Richard Rabbit's party.
Bye. I'll be back to pick you up later.
You're very welcome to stay if you want.
It's soft play, isn't it? No thanks.
Hello. You're very welcome to stay if you want.
See you later. Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Hello, Mummy Pig. I quite understand if you don't want to stay.
No, I'll stay. Us grown-ups can have a nice quiet chat while the children play.
Oh, okay.
This is the soft play centre, where everything is soft, so children can bounce, squash, slide, and play!
This is great! The children are having so much fun.
Yes, I just hope we can get them out at the end.
The little children have been playing all day.
Home time, children! That was a lovely party, wasn't it?
Yes!
Have you all had fun?
Yes!
Are you ready to go home now?
No! Oh, my goodness! We're never going to get them out!
There's only one thing for it. I'll have to go in.
Good luck!
Ah! I'm stuck! Help!
Don't worry, I'm coming in! I'm nearly there! Oh no, I'm stuck too! Help!
Hello.
Mr. Elephant has come to collect Edmund Elephant.
Mr. Elephant!
Help! We're stuck!
No problem, ladies. I'll get you out.
No, don't! You'll get stuck! It's a trap!
Ah! I'm stuck.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Daddy Pig, Peppa and Susie have come to collect George.
Ah, what good little children you are. Where are your parents?
Help!
We're stuck.
Ho, ho! That usually happens to me. That is going to happen to me, isn't it? I'm going to go in there and get stuck.
Me and Susie can go in. We're smaller.
That's kind of you both, but it is my job. As a grown-up, I must do this.
But Daddy!
Don't worry, Peppa. If I get stuck, I will ring for the rescue services.
He needs some milk.
Ah, yes, I'm stuck. Lucky I've got my phone.
Hello? Rescue service?
Oh, you're in here too?
Yes, I'm a bit tied up at the moment.
So there's no one to rescue us.
We're here, Daddy. We will rescue the grown-ups.
That tickles.
Hey!
Thank you, Peppa and Susie, for rescuing us. Hip, hip, Hooray!
Now we can all go home.
The little ones have gone back inside.
The new car.
Today, Peppa and her family are going for a drive in their red car.
Shall we have the roof down?
Yes, please.
Is everybody ready?
Ready.
Then let's go!
I love our car.
And our car loves us too, don't you?
Oh dear, the car does not sound very well.
What's wrong, Daddy?
I don't know.
Let's take it to Grandad Dog's garage. He can fix it.
That's a good idea, Mummy Pig.
Grandad Dog runs the garage. He is very good at mending cars.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig. Your car does not sound very well.
Can you fix it, please, Grandad Dog?
Yes, but it will take all day.
Oh.
We wanted to go for a drive in our car.
Don't worry.
You can borrow this new car while I fix yours.
Oh, wow!
Hooray! Thank you, Grandad Dog.
Would you like the roof down?
Yes, please.
I'll just press this red button.
What a clever car!
Thank you, Grandad Dog. Goodbye.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Peppa and her family like the new blue car.
There's so many buttons in this new car.
What does the green button do, Daddy?
Let's see.
What does the blue button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
I love this new car. Can we keep it?
No.
Oh?
Oh no, I think it's going to rain.
Yes, I'll just put the roof up. Now, which is the button to close the roof? Oops, silly me. This must be the button. Ah!
The car has squirted Daddy Pig with water.
Silly Daddy.
This button. Oops, not that one. This button.
Daddy Pig has forgotten which button closes the roof.
I don't think this car likes me.
Let's try the red button. Hooray!
Hey!
But now it's stopped raining.
Can we open the roof again?
Yes. Which button was it?
The red one! Hooray!
Grandad Dog has fixed the car.
Your car is fixed.
Thank you, Grandad Dog. And keep the change.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye!
Bye-bye.
And then they finally went to Walmart where Mummy Pig bought some cheap shampoo and a new family smiley face.
Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below the hidden message if you found it somewhere in the video, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.